Okay, been working on this one a little bit off camera. So let's see, there was 3 and 4 that we're saying? Yeah. What kind was it? Yeah. So this is what we started with, and this is what we finished with, basically. They were about the same. So not much difference. But this one is about twice the amount of area if you go back and watch the video. And the angle is a little bit better now. See, now we're hitting all the way to the inside. And we're not going off the top up here anymore. So, ground like that angle I changed I showed you, told you about. So now, when you look at it, well, it's about that far, not that far. So it's a little better. And about 20 minutes of work. There you go. Small change, a little bit better. Just like that one. Okay, now this one here, is it going to be worth doing a change on this one? I don't think so, because it's pretty nice already. So I think we'll leave that one alone and not screw it up. See how they work? You hit on the valves now. See how this one does not?
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, totally.
Totally what? Totally screwed up.
Yeah.
So alright, so we are hitting pretty consistently, somewhere right with the angle, I think. The grind angle is definitely off. So I'm going to go regrind that and see how it looks. Maybe it'll be better, maybe it'll be worse. You're in charge. Don't screw up. Now, if you don't like the new video from this point forward, let me know. You know the cameraman sucks.
So, these are obviously not stock.
They're replacement parts. Stock replacement parts that are made wrong. Only 1 out of 4 was actually close. Just like that grinder wasn't made right. I had to fix it. You have to play back the video.
What?
I had to fix my table. Didn't like how it was. Now it's better. Okay, so here's our grinding mark right there. So I'm going to see what we're going to get. See how it's going to grind more up here. It's barely hitting there.
Yeah.
Wrong angle. Like that change? New grinding angle. See that's better? It's going to grind a little more on the bottom and the top. Not much different, just a little. Okay, I'm going to actually grind it. Radius. It's not quite dropping off enough on the big end. And watch that keeps from digging in at the tip. chance of that being perfect. Zero to 5?
Huh?
0 to 5?
0 to 5 tenths
Percent
Oh,
of being perfect. These things always like to be working long times. And that sucks. That stud sucks. Make sure you get all of it. All done too. Not bad. Go back and re-hit that grind I did a little bit on top. See, it's in the center pretty good. Maybe that 1 to 5 was pretty good. There we go. Go a little bit more, but it's close. Okay, now, see what my angle looks like here. Okay, so it needs to grind a little bit more on this side to get that to come across better.
mm-hmm.
But you see how it is okay over on this side,
Yeah.
so when I'm grinding it, as I'm sweeping across the table, obviously things are moving a little bit on the table. Even though I flattened the table out as much as I could, there's still a little something going on when I'm sliding it across. Can't see anything there, can you? See my back.
No, I had your hand was covering it the other on the other side. So
Oh, you mean over here is blocking your view? Okay, I want to know where I'm at right now. And my feeler gauge. Where did it go? It was sitting around here. See feeler gauge anywhere? Oh. I remember what I did with it. Stole it. I was checking at the valve tube. Okay, let's see what we've done here. So you're going like that, really loose. That's how much of an angle we did from perfect.
yeah.
Made a big change. That's how much I'm losing those 2 hits. So, do I do that again or do I leave with it? Let's just leave it alone. What do you think?
What?
Think I should leave it alone?
No.
I've already hit it twice. Okay, so now I'm going to grind it. Let's see here. It's even. See if it is. That nut sucks. Or it's a stud. Probably not. Works better that way. I see a problem here. What do you think?
Say what?
Do you see a problem here?
Backwards.
That's right.
Oh, I got one.
You had to take a while though.
Well, I can't see or hear, so.
Oh, okay. Goes like that. I think it's still off. Hand don't like it. So he has to dry oil before it rubs it off. Hand does not like this. Looks like about the same it did before. Oh, it hurts. So it's getting wider, but it did not want to cut that inner edge. And I keep grinding. Weird. What if you rotate the valve? Not much different. A lot of surface area, but not consistent. And it still wants more angle on the grinder. Let's see, do we screw it up or do we leave it? It's going to wear in anyway, but I think I'll leave it. Usually what happens, I overcompensate and then drops over just to this side only, because I keep dropping the table down. It doesn't take much to shift it from being good to way off. So you have a lot more area than what this one is.
Yeah.
Yes. See, it's got almost the same surface area as that one, but it's just not quite as even. But
Better than that one.
yeah, it's pretty thin, but it's even. It's fat all the way across, so it's more important. This one I like, it's just wearing a little more on the outside edge, but I already moved that table way down. That's why it had that big gap on the parallels like this.
Yeah.
Drop the table down so far. Camera doesn't see that when I'm doing that. The table was like this, now we're like this, and that's what it's leaving. I'll probably have to go more like that. It's a lot of angle. Plus at some point it's going to shift and go way over the other way. But I don't like keep cutting material off these rockers. At some point they get soft underneath a little bit. Assume there's any heat treat in there at all. Being aftermarket, probably not much, if any. I think I'll leave it. At some point it becomes diminishing returns. Alright, so rocker arms are good. So now we have to work on the valve spring stuff. Alright, we'll be back.